This easy-kleen commercial hot water, gasoline, oil-fired unit is designed for rigorous, everyday use on multiple applications by farmers, commercial contractors, and a wide variety of businesses. This is a 3.5 gallon per minute at 4,000 psi unit. It comes with an electric start, 14 horsepower Kohler engine, a triplex plunger pump by General Pump, and is set atop durable 13-inch pneumatic tires on welded axles. This machine comes with an adjustable temperature control, downstream chemical injection, and a thermal relief valve to protect your pump from overheating. This unit features a structurally braced coil to reduce wear and vibration, made with Schedule 80 pipe and enclosed in a stainless steel housing for maximum efficiency. It is powder coated with a 12-gauge steel frame, and its oil-fired burner system uses a 120-volt electrical power plug. It is ETL certified and the most versatile machine on the market. easy-kleen, the longest lasting pressure washer on the market.